In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets with two-way sync. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your task management in Asana with data analysis capabilities in Google Sheets, using Zapier can make this process smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to set this up. First, you'll need to log into Zapier. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps, helping you automate your workflows without needing to write a single line of code. Once you're logged in, the first thing we'll do is create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a set of instructions that tells Zapier exactly what to do with your data. With your Zap created, you're going to set Asana as the trigger. Here you'll select New Task in Project. This means that whenever a new task is created in your specified Asana project, it will trigger this Zap, setting everything in motion for the sync process to begin. Next, we need to connect Google Sheets as the action destination. You'll choose Create Update Row as your action. This ensures that each new task from Asana will either create a new row or update an existing one in your Google Sheets, depending on the specifics you set up in the mapping. Now that you've set up the basic actions, it's time to map the fields from Asana to Google Sheets. Here, you'll want to consider what specific information you need from Asana. Common fields include task name, due date, and status. Carefully map these Asana fields into your corresponding Google Sheets columns to ensure the data is correctly transferred. Before we move on, it's crucial to test your Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. This step helps verify that new tasks created in Asana are appearing in Google Sheets with the correct information. Once you're satisfied with the results, don't forget to hit Publish on the Zap. This will make the integration live and automate the data flow between Asana and Google Sheets going forward. Now let's set up the reverse sync, which is from Google Sheets back to Asana. This involves creating another Zap, so go ahead and set up a new one. For this Zap, you'll set Google Sheets as the trigger by selecting Updated Spreadsheet Row. This means any changes you make in your spreadsheet, such as updates to task details, will be sent to Asana. For the action step, Asana will be the destination, specifically using the Update Task action. This ensures that any modifications in your spreadsheet are accurately reflected in the Asana tasks. Similarly to before, map your Google Sheets columns to the appropriate Asana fields. Double check to make sure you're sending the right data to the right places. Finally, just like the last time, thoroughly test your new Zap. Confirm that changes in Google Sheets correctly update the corresponding tasks in Asana. Once everything checks out, publish this Zap as well, completing your two-way sync. And that's it. With these Zaps set up, you'll have a real-time, two-way synchronization between Asana and Google Sheets.